Kibor Penya District Jong ka West Khasi Hills menda ka singi hat majai ka arpun trik uyayong araja arpuar kila penlong ye ka jing rakhe ha ka jing ipu iping ya ka jubiliksia jong ka jing dap sanpus nem jong ka jylla Meghalaya. Hagani ka jing rakhe lawan banishim menta laki officer bat ki staff jong baro kitna trekam sorkar baper hapo jong ka district kinong sancha shinong ki khna school kinong hikai bat ki pai ba nong shong shinong na keleng ki benta jong ka district. Lapulong ru ia kejing inam ye kitiar tiar put tynrai ke blashna da kiriu don sam ki senteu kiskut bat kiwe. Lapanya ia kate ka program da uba PD sangma Deputy Commissioner ka West Khasi Hills District ha ka baula airu ia kejing kren lamprang ban penshai ha ka biade bat kejing yo ia ke jylla bapura.
Which conferred full-fledged statehood on the autonomous state of Meghalaya by carving out two districts from the state of Assam, that is the United Khasi Hills and West Khasi Hills district and Garo Hills district on 21st January 1972. So our state of Meghalaya turned 50 on 21st January 2022. And the whole of the year 2022 is a golden jubilee year for our state. Today, as we commemorate and celebrate the 50th year of our statehood, we remember and recollect with gratitude and great honor the immense contributions of the past visionary leaders of the state whose relentless efforts and sacrifices led to the creation of a separate hill state. As a Compare already mentioned, we remember Captain W.A. Sangma, S. Didini Consroy, Professor Gigi Swell, Bibi Lungdo, Professor Martin Ryan Majau, J.D. Porman, H.S. Lungdo, and others who made this dream of statehood possible. They laid the foundation stone for the development and to enable their successors to build upon, to bring growth, development, progress, prosperity to the citizens.